Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is a Shapermint video and I am going to be sharing with you my top 5 Shapermint essentials, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to transition them into winter. I've done some videos in the past where I transitioned my shapewear from summer to fall, and now we are doing fall to winter. And it is so easy to transition your shapewear with any season. Definitely do not need to get anything new. You can just refresh what you already have and make it work for that particular season. We are in the winter season, although I feel like I am in the spring season because I do live in Arizona and well, it's hot here. So it's been hot in the day, more like a spring feeling, but it is cold at night. So I can transition my shapewear for any given part of the day since I'm here in Phoenix, and I know a lot of people that live in Texas also feel the same way. Why is it so hot? It's supposed to be cold, but for those of you who are in areas of the US or any area in the world where it is actually winter, then these pieces are so easy to work with your winter wardrobe as well. So as I mentioned, I'm going to be refreshing my Shapermint essentials, and I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite Shapermint essentials that are in my wardrobe that I cannot live without. And that's why I love coming on here and talking to you about Shapermint, because it's the best. It's just the best. So the first item I'm going to share with you is one of my absolute favorites. I'm actually wearing it right now, and that is their bra. Shapermint does have different styles of bras, but the bra that I'm going to be sharing with you is their Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper Bra. This is my absolute favorite. I love this bra, and I am actually wearing one in the color black right now. I know that doesn't go with my shirt at all, but I put it on this morning and I just did not want to take it off. So I'm leaving it on even for this video, but it is this exact bra right here. And I love this bra. I'm also wearing it in the size large. My bra size is a 36DD. And in this bra, the size chart tells me that I should get an extra large, but I wanted to size down, and I do this often. If you've watched any of my videos, I like to size down just to see how much I can get away with, how much Shapermint stretches, and I love the feeling of the large. The large feels really good on. The only thing with the size large is that I did have to add in the extender. That's okay because Shapermint sends this to you. You don't have to go out and buy a new one. They think of every little detail. It was nice that it was just there. It was readily available. I can just put it on and wear it. So, and that is one feature of their bras that I absolutely love. Another feature on this bra that I love is that the straps are thick, so they are not going to be falling down your shoulders. My shoulders are very narrow, and bras just kind of tend to slip down no matter how tightly I adjust them. That does not happen with this bra. And there's not even an adjuster on this bra, so you don't even have to worry about adjusting it. It just stays up, and I love that about these bras. This particular bra does have a clasp in the back, so you can clasp it on and off if you want to. It does have kind of a sports bra-ish feel to it, or look to it, should I say, but it is so, so comfortable. Something else that I love about this bra is that the bottom here is thick and kind of cinches you in. The cups are sewn in, so you don't have to worry about these falling out when you wash them. I've recommended this bra to my mom, to my mother-in-law. They love them. As a matter of fact, my mother-in-law says she cleaned out her drawers and got rid of all of her bras, except for I think one, she said, and she is replacing them with all Shapermint bras. She absolutely loved them. I live in these bras, I sleep in these bras, and I know that people say you shouldn't do that. I've just always done that, and it's so comfortable. It's comfortable enough to even sleep in it and feel like a pajama. So I totally recommend these bras, and you can wear them under anything. You can wear them under any type of clothing. They have it in a bundle. I always recommend if you buy Shapermint to buy it in a bundle. You get more for your money. And so the bundles come in all white, all black, or black, white, and nude. That's the one that I recommend because you get one of each color and you're taken care of. This is my #1 pick to share with you today. The next item is also a bra, and this is their sports bra, and I tried their sports bra recently and I loved it. So I got another one, and it is in, let me see, blue. I really love blue right now, but it is a navy blue, and I really do like their sports bras. They are awesome. They're really comfy. They don't feel like they're too tight, because I've tried other sports bras and I just feel like I'm super sucked in and I can't breathe, and I just don't like that feeling on my breasts, if you understand what I'm talking about. And so this does not feel like that. It does give you the support that you need, but not in that tight and uncomfortable feeling. This bra does have the removable cups, but I don't think they'll fall out very easily, because the opening is here on the top, and it's not. And as I pull it right now, it's not coming out. It's not budging. So I don't think they'll fall out as easily as they do with other bras. But this bra is definitely made for you to get sweaty in, spin class, running, yoga, aerobics. I know that I'm starting a Beachbody program, and so that's why I really wanted to stock up on the sports bras. I one time worked out with my kids here at home, and they were laughing at me the entire time. I did not have a sports bra on, so this will definitely give you a ton of support. That way you can work out comfortably. You can style this with your workout clothes, your leggings. If you're someone who likes to wear, you know, just your sports bra and your leggings, you can totally do that. This has a thick band here on the bottom too, so it looks gorgeous. But if you're somebody like me, I'm more of the person that wants to cover up a bit more, then I'll wear this underneath a tank top with my leggings. It's also comfortable enough to just wear every day if that's something that you wanted to do. Wear it around the house to clean, do yard work, whatever it is you're doing. But it's definitely versatile and comfortable enough to be worn in any way that you want to wear it. The next item that I'm going to be sharing with you is their scoop neck cami. I love the cami so much. This is one of my favorite items, and I have it in black, I have it in nude, and now I have it in white. So I highly recommend that you add to your collection and get all the different colors. That way you have endless possibilities with your wardrobe combinations, and transitioning them from season to season becomes a lot easier. So I got the white one because I do want to start experimenting and getting away from wearing so much black, because I love to wear black. So this is part of my experimentation. How would I wear this? Well, I personally am a stay-at-home mom, so I am not getting dressed too often. But when I style this, I wear it with my leggings, under a sweatshirt, under a sweater, and it just works. Even under a t-shirt. I could wear it under a t-shirt, especially if I want that extra control. These camis do provide a ton of control in your midsection and your tummy section. So you can just wear it for the fact that you want a little more support underneath your clothing to kind of slim you out. These will definitely do that for you, and you will not feel like you are wearing anything. It's so comfortable. It almost becomes like another layer of your skin. It's also a very breathable material, so you're not sweating. You don't feel any hotter than normal. Also too, the nice thing about the camis is that you can go braless with these. They definitely have a lot of support in your breast area, so you can go braless with these if you're in that mood, and just wear it under a t-shirt. No bra, this will take care of you, and I love that about these too. So it's definitely easy to transition this from fall to winter. You will look and feel your best in seconds with this cami. I promise this is a staple item that you have to have in your collection. So with Shapermint, you get all of the best supportive essentials. That includes shapewear, that includes bras, and that also includes leggings. If you've never tried the Shapewear leggings, this is one of their best sellers. And I absolutely do love their leggings. I have them in black, I have them in an olive color, and now I have them in gray. I feel like if you have various colors to work with, you can create your outfits a lot easier. So obviously during the winter, I'm going to be wearing leggings more often than shorts. And their leggings are really warm. They were actually a little too warm for me to wear here in Phoenix, so that tells you a lot. Their material is nice and thick. I love that their leggings are high-waisted. They tuck and lift you in all the right places, and these are designed for women of every single body type. So that's the beauty of being different, but that's also the beauty of Shapermint. It works for everybody. It also has a silicone band, and this band keeps your leggings from rolling down. That's not going to be happening. So I can't wait to pair them even with my white scoop neck cami. Look at how beautiful those two look together. Ah, I'm so excited. So I'm probably going to be pairing these together and some type of cardigan or sweater over. I don't even have it on, and it's so pretty. I just love it. I promise you will not regret these. These are such an amazing legging. They definitely do their job and slim you out so much. The first time I tried their leggings, I put them on and my daughter took a picture for me, and I could not believe that that was my body. I looked so slim. My legs looked so slim. I had to look twice, like, is that me? And that's what I love about Shapermint, is that it makes you feel good in your own skin. It's just an amazing product. It boosts your confidence, and I can't say more about it. The last thing that I'm going to share with you are the boy shorts. And I know these are not something that you can wear outdoor in the winter, but you can definitely wear them inside of your home. I love their boy shorts because they are high-waisted, so they're giving you tons of control in your mid area. They also have the non-stick silicone here on the top, so they are not going to be rolling down. I like to wear these at home with a sweatshirt, just kind of look cute walking around the house for my husband or your boyfriend. So I like to be comfortable when I'm home, and so these are perfect for lounging on the couch, watching a movie with my family. So, and that is how I would style these, just a sweatshirt, socks. Been wearing a lot of socks lately. Sweatshirt with some socks, and just comfy, cozy up under the blanket, and they are amazing. So those are my top 5 essentials that I'm going to be refreshing to wear for winter. Shapermint is so easy to transition. You don't have to get anything new. You really don't have to go out and spend a ton of money, because you are just going to use what you have and just transform it with other clothing in your wardrobe, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So definitely check the link out below in my description box. I'm also going to give you a 20% off code, so make sure to go and check that out. If you have any questions about the shapewear, I am glad to answer any questions that you may have about it. Thank you, Shapermint, for making this video possible, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!